Hi, my name is Chaitanya and I welcome you to the Fittfam 21 Days Fitness Challenge. During these 21 days, we will be learning on how to get fit from the comfort of your own home. We will work out live Monday to Friday, 6 to 7 p.m. on Insta Live. And don't worry, even if you're not free at that time, you can work out at any time of your convenience because all these videos will be saved on IGTV. During these 3 weeks, you can make fitness a permanent part of your lifestyle. All these workouts are designed carefully, keeping in mind beginner as well as intermediate level. So even if you are new to workouts, you can still perform all these exercises easily. Not only the workouts, we will be taking care of your daily diet requirements under the guidance of diet expert Simrat Kathuria, where she will be providing you with diet plan, healthy recipes and nutritional information that you require. Personally, I take great pride in taking your fitness to next level. And we also know that fitness is not just limited to workouts and diet plans. One of the most important aspects of fitness is mental health. And for that, we will be providing you one free session of yoga and meditation. Also, for your assistance, we will be providing you with mental health coach who will be answering all your queries on mental health. I teach because I want you to experience the change that healthy lifestyle brought to my life. And I can't wait to witness the change it will bring to your and your family's life. So come join me in this beautiful journey of becoming the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally.